So once you land here on your repository in which you're trying to update your folder, what you're going to do is basically select a click dot on your keyboard. What this will do is it will open up your web editor, which just looks something like a program called Visual Studio. So just wait until that's done. And in here, you can do a lot of stuff, as you can see once this loads up. You can do plenty of stuff like renaming, editing your files, but just basically make sure that you sign in with your account first things first. And now, as you can see, we can also open up files. We can update these files too. But what you want to do is select this document. I'm just going to block that. And you right click on it, and there is a rename option in which you can actually rename that file and it will stay as is. So that is one way you can update your folder name on GitHub, as well as file names, of course.